Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at RedMagic's first smartwatch, RedMagic Watch. Just for record, I got this review video from one of my Chinese content partners before the official launch event. So there are some things I'm not clear, like the price, detailed specs, or whether it supports other languages, blah blah. If you are really interested in this watch and want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below, and I might consider buying one to do a detailed review later. But for this video, it's just a first look. On the back of the package, it shows you some highlights of the watch, including multiple sports modes, long battery life, AMOLED HD screen, dedicated watch faces, heart rate, sleep monitoring, and blood oxygen monitoring. The color we got is cyberpunk black. I'm not sure if the RedMagic watch has other colors, but I'm sure it will have multiple color straps. Just like other smartwatches, the first time you connect your watch, you have to download the Redmi Sport app. Once you connect it, you can view more on your watch. Swipe down, you get to see the shortcuts like torch, battery saving mode, settings, etc. Swipe left or right, you get to see the most used features like workouts, weather, sleep, heart rate, and music. While for the physical buttons, if you press the upper key, you get to see all the features of this watch. If you press the lower key, then you get to see all the sports modes. Basically, it has all those common ones. All in all, for gesture control, I don't see any big differences with other smartwatches. One of the highlights of this watch is it provides tons of watch faces. You can also find more in the app and transfer the one you like to your watch. As for specs, the watch sports a 1.39-inch circular AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. The battery is 420 mAh and it gives you up to 15 days of battery life. It has up to 16 sports modes and 5 ATM water-resistant capability. And most importantly, despite the alloy bezel design, the watch weighs just 30 grams, which makes it the lightest smartwatch I've ever reviewed so far. So what do you think about it? Does it sound enticing to you? If you want to know more about the watch, just let me know in the comment section. Stay subscribed. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one.